So I just built up my ATX computer. I just wanted a smaller form factor so I can put it on the desk, underneath the desk. But I ran into a problem where I noticed that one of my CPU cores is running in much higher temperature than the rest of them. And first I thought that I messed up something with the thermal paste, but then I read that and it didn't seem to help. So right now I'm not quite sure how well you can see in the camera. I just put the AIDA64 stress test on, and one of the CPU cores is much higher than the rest of them. So I started wondering what could cause that. I don't really know. But people on the internet told me that I've lost the Intel thermal paste lottery or something like that. And that's why I'm going to delid the processor. Okay, so I went out. Obviously this one is way too big. I realized it when I put it alongside it, it's way too thick. So I went out and bought one of these, I believe it's 0.4mm thickness with a sharpened edge. And I actually already opened it. I forgot to take the video about that. Sorry, there's lots of videos about that, but basically what you need to do is you put it in. I actually started with this corner because I noticed that part of it was missing. I put it here and I pushed it against the heat spreader, not the actual PCB here. And it went in surprisingly easily, and then I just started scraping around it. That was actually surprisingly easy. So yeah, I don't know what to judge from this. I don't know if it's any good. Jump microfiber. Let's. Ooh, fuck. Luckily that was not the CPU. It's sort of a work in progress. I'm supposed to install this over there, but I haven't had the time to do that yet. You are making sound, but nothing is happening. Oh, there we go, there we go, there we go. Yeah, no CPU installed. Okay, it's been now running stable over 20 minutes and still looks good. So to sum it up, core 1 from 100 degrees to maximum 58. So yeah, I can highly recommend.